about now? Is it fine now?
No, ma'am, we can't see.
This is where you also cannot see.
Yes, ma'am, I can't see.
Okay, let me try to leave and
Ma'am,
then
we
I'll
can,
do.
ma'am, we can see it now.
Oh, it's visible now. Okay, cool. Okay. I'm cutting out. Yes. Are you able to see? Are you able to read through that? Guys, are you able to read through that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Just when you're done, you can send me your answer there on my WhatsApp. But before you start, do we have anyone who doesn't understand? Or maybe do we have anyone who remember what we said we're going to write under this, let's say for the first one, for example. Do we have anyone who remember what we said about the Venn diagram?
Yes, ma'am, I remember.
Okay, can you take us through the first one, maybe?
So ma'am, over here it says a group of 68 people were asked whether they liked football and cricket. 26 said that they liked both. 30 said that they liked football but not cricket. 7 said that they liked cricket but not football. So ma'am, outside of the rectangle or outside of the diagram, we'll add 68 because that's the total amount of people. And then for cricket,
All right.
and then for cricket, what we would say is that 30 people in the circle of cricket, we're going to add 30 people because 30 people said that they liked cricket. And then 26 people said that they liked both. And so we're going to put it in the middle, in between where football and cricket is. And then it says 7 people liked cricket but not football. So we're going to put it at the cricket area. And then at the and then the leftovers are going to be at the bottom outside of the circle.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Do we have anyone who didn't understand that, maybe? So I'll just assume that Hunkumotu understood, and I'm just gonna do this. Let's see. Are you guys able to see, to read through that, or do I need to zoom them in?
Ma'am, can you zoom them in?
Okay, let's try this. Or maybe you can try to take screenshots. Are you able to do that? Because I can't put everything here. Are you guys able to do that? This is going to be the first part because the first one was answered. And let's see. Okay.
Second or third?
Okay. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did all of you take screenshots? Do you have anyone who didn't? Okay, so everyone took, and I'll just leave it here. Guys, are you done? Is there anyone who's done? I think you should be done by now. Busisi, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Humo, are you done? Lihumo, are you done there? Okay, Zira, are you done? Zira, are you able to hear me? Are you done? Guys, are you able to hear me? Busisi, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you for confirming. Homolemo, I'm seeing you for the first time. How are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm good, thank you, ma'am.
I'm okay. Zira, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you. Yes, ma'am, I am done.
Lihumo, are you done? Okay. Let's. Oh no, I forgot to share. Let me share the screen and. Oh, and what? And we'll do this question. Okay. Are you guys able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna zoom this and now the first one was already answered, so there's no need for us to do it unless if there's anyone who have any question on that. What's happening? Okay. So we're not gonna look at that. So we're gonna look at the second one, number 2. They say a group of 140 people were asked if they watch TV or they listen to radio. 140 people, a group of 140 people, that is the total, right? 140 people were asked if they watch TV or they listen to radio. 15 people said they do neither. 80 people said they listen to radio. 53 people, 53 people said they listen to radio and watch TV. Now complete the Venn diagram below, and then you have the other cycle being watch TV and the other one listen to radio. Now I'm gonna ask Busisi, how did you answer this one? What did you write? Wait, where's my pen? What did you write here? And yes, let me use this. What did you write here? And what did you write here? Here and here. Maybe here as well.
On the watch TV, I wrote 45.
The watch TV only or the watch TV and listen to radio?
Ma'am, watch TV only. I wrote
Watch
35.
TV 35, okay.
And then
35.
on the listen to the radio only, I wrote 27. No, ma'am, it's 45 for the watch TV only.
45.
Yes, ma'am, 45.
45, okay.
And then, ma'am, on the listen to the radio only, it's 27. I wrote 27.
27, okay.
And then, ma'am, on the relation circle, I wrote 53.
53 for those that watch TV and watch
Listen
TV
to the
and
radio.
radio. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And then for the people that do not participate in either, I wrote 15.
You wrote 15.
And then for the total, I wrote 140.
Oh, 140. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna ask you why did you write 45? Why did you write everything that you wrote here? Where did you get the 45? Where did you get the 53? Where did you get everything? I just want to know, where did you get these amounts that you gave us here? Sissy, were you still there? Sissy, are you still there? Okay, we'll jump here. I don't know what's happening. Zira, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
And what was your answer for these questions? Are they the same as these ones?
Yes, ma'am.
And why did you write everything that you wrote except for 140?
So you see, ma'am, 15 was given to us, including 140 and 53. And what I did was that it said that 80 people listen to radio. It didn't say specifically. It said generally. It said listen to radio. So what I did was 80 minus 53 gave me 27. That's how I figured out that 27 people listen to radio. And then the 45, how I got that was that I added everything together, the 53, 27, and 15, and I subtracted it from 140. And then that's how I got 45 watch TV.
Yes, absolutely. So when you add everything together in the shape there, in the rectangle, yeah,
I'm
must
sorry,
be
can you
equal
hear
to
me?
140. Yes, I can hear you.
I'm sorry, I had a problem.
Okay, no problem, babe. And the question says, the second B question under that says, how many people or how many of the people watch TV? Now they want the number of people that watch TV. How many of the 140 people watch TV?
45, ma'am.
45 Zira. Lukumo, how many people watch TV? How many people of 140 watch TV? Okay.
Wait.
Umulimo, did you complete this?
No, ma'am, I just entered. There was a problem with my Zoom.
Okay, no problem. Let's see. Busisi, where?
Ma'am, 45 people watched the TV.
45 people watch TV. And why is it that you guys are saying 45?
Sorry, ma'am, I
Ma'am,
made a
'cause
mistake. You?
Okay, let's start with Busisiwe. Busisiwe, you said because what?
Ma'am, because I think it specifically states it asks for the people that watch the TV only.
Where is only? How many of the people, how many of the 140 people watch TV? Did I miss only?
Ma'am, is it 98 out of 140 watch TV?
90?
98 out of 140.
I think it's going to be 98 years because you have to add 45 and 53 only more because everybody that is in everybody that is within the cycle of watch TV is going to be added ne so everything that's within that cycle you're going to add it unless if they state only then you're just going to include only these ones. Yeah, you're just gonna include just these ones, ne? This is only. This part here is only. But when they say watch TV, you're gonna include everyone that watches TV. Yeah. Whether they watch radio as well, it doesn't matter. But as long as they watch TV, ne? So that is how you're going to. I think you said 98. And let's see. Do we have any question on this one? No? Did you guys get it? I think you got it. Okay. There are number 3. There are 60 farms, right? The farms can grow wheat and barley. Yeah. Two of third of the farms grow wheat. Yeah. They say 5 of the farms grow both wheat and barley, and then 6 of the farm grow what? Grow neither wheat nor barley. Say, A, complete this Venn diagram when you have wheat and that. How did you guys do this one? Zira,
Yes, ma'am.
how did you complete this?
So you see, ma'am, what I did was that 60 farms is the total. And then I calculated 2/3 of the farm, which was 40. So 40 farms grew wheat. And then what I did was that I subtracted and what I did was that I subtracted 5 from 45 and no, sorry, from 40, which I got 35. So 35 grow wheat and 5 grow both. And then 6 of the farms don't grow anything. So I left it outside of the circles. And then I added everything together and subtracted it by 60, which got me 14 farms grow barley.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to tell me the numbers now, and let's see. What am I writing for wheat only?
35, ma'am.
35, okay. And for both wheat and barley?
5.
5, okay.
And then 14 for barley.
14. Mm-hmm.
And then 6 at the outside of the circles.
Mm-hmm.
And then outside of the box, there's 60.
Okay, thank you. Do we have any question on this one? Busisi, where are you covered? Did you do the very same thing, or is there anything maybe that you don't or didn't understand on your side?
Ma'am, I got everything.
Okay, cool. Umulimo, are you still with us? Okay, let's see who's in here. Okay, cool. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay. Yes, and let's look at the question. Question says, how many farms can barley how many farms can grow barley but not wheat? How many? How many farms can grow barley but not wheat?
14, ma'am.
14, and why are you saying 14? Why not 19 this time?
Because, ma'am, it's specifically saying barley and not wheat.
Yes. So this is another way of them saying barley only, né? So this is what you're going to include. They basically mean barley only because they say not whatever, just that, okay? And let's look at the last one. They say there are 32 students in a class. 9 students have brown eyes, but not brown hair. 11 students have brown hair, but not brown eyes. 10 students have neither brown eyes, no, yes, brown hair or no brown eyes. Okay. 10 students have neither brown hair nor brown eyes. Complete the diagram below. Then you have the first cycle being brown hair and the other one being brown eyes. And Bisisiwe, how did you do this one? Okay, let's try Luhuma for the last time. I don't know what's happening with him. Luhuma, how did you answer this? Okay, no problem. Let's try Busisiwe. Busisiwe, how did you answer this one?
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
I used the information they gave us to fill it in. So here they said 9 students have brown eyes but not brown hair. So then I write 9 where it's written brown eyes, and then they say 11 students have brown hair but not brown eyes. So I wrote 11 where it's written brown hair, and then 10 students have neither brown hair nor brown eyes, and then I write 10 at the bottom, and then the total is 32, which they gave us. And then, ma'am, in order to find the relation, I added the 11, the 9, and the 10, which gave me 30. And basically, we now know that the relation is 2 because 32 minus 30 is 2. So, ma'am, that's how I got the relation.
Okay, so the numbers for brown hair only, what do I write?
11, ma'am.
11, okay. And for Let's see. For brown hair and brown eyes, both brown hair and brown eyes, you said how much did you get?
I wrote 2, ma'am.
2, okay. And then for brown eyes only,
I wrote 9, ma'am.
you have 9. And then for neither,
I wrote 10.
10. And the total is 32.
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to have this 32 here. Now, who's, I think Zira. Yes, Zira, are you having something different from this one? Or you got the same answers?
I got the same answers, ma'am.
That's good. That means you guys understand the Venn diagram now. But I want us to do this last one before we end this lesson. It's a bit different from this one, but it's same thing, yeah? Just gonna do this and I'll share the screen now. It's not hectic, it's just different information, but same procedure, okay? But this one, we're gonna do it together, ne? Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, are you guys able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
1905. Guys, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. That's beautiful. So now, do you see the information that we are given here? This is the different one that I was talking about, but it's not hectic. So you have what? You have a sample of 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 18, 20, right? And then for A, under A, you are having 1, 6, 7, 20. And then for B, you have 1, 4, 7, 15, 18. Now they say complete the Venn diagram below. So this is, wait. Yes, this is the oh no. This is the total, this is the sample, that is the whole information that you have, ne? That is the, yes, let's say it's the total, right? And then this is probability of A, and this is probability of B, okay? Now, do we have anyone who wants to try it before we do it together, maybe? What are we writing here? What are we writing here and here? Maybe here.
Ma'am, do you find the average between those numbers?
No, you're just going to write them as numbers as they are, ne? As the numbers, not as sum or a total. So in here, what you're gonna do here, in here, you're going to write the numbers that are only under A but not B. And then here you're going to write numbers that are in both A and B, right? You're going to write them individually. And then under B, you're going to write numbers that are only under the B, okay? And then here you're going to write those that are left after filling everything here. Do you guys get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, what do you have in common in A and B? What's common?
1, ma'am, and 20.
1 and 7, ne?
Yes, ma'am.
1 and 7 are common here. So that means now under A, you are left with 6 and 20. So what you're going to write here is going to be 6 and 20. Then you're going to cancel out these. And then under B, you are left with what? You are left with, I made a mistake, but it's okay. Under B, you are left with 4, 15, 18. So it's 4, 15, and then 18. Okay. Now let's try to cancel everything also from the sample so that it's going to be easier. Let's see. So we have 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 6, there's 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, no, 10, no, 11, no, 12, no, 15, yes, 15 we're going to cancel, and then 18, yes, 20, yes. So what's left out is 8, 10, so it's going to be 8. We're going to have 8, 10, 11, 12. 8, 10, 11, 12. So these are neither 8, 10, 11, and 12. Do you guys get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So these ones, you only write them as they are. You don't need to calculate for anything unless if they want you to give them probability. But if it's like this, you just know that this is like the total. This is like your 140. This is like your 32, ne? So you're going to treat it as that. So as long as you keep on writing and cancelling, if you write on the cycle, you'll be cancelling on this total or on this list of numbers, then you will be good. And now they say find probability of A. Now what will be the probability of A?
Two out of
Probability
11, ma'am.
Yes, it's going to be 2 out of 11. So it's 2 out of 11. Remember, if it's P of A, it's simply means of A only, ne? Uh, and let's see, probability of B, P of B. What's P of B?
3 out of 11, ma'am.
3 out of 11. Okay, cool. Now, do we have any question? Anyone with a question for today's lesson?
Not from me,
Do we
ma'am.
have any? Okay. Busisiwe, do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Guys, you can send me a message and suggest a topic that we can maybe look into after this one, ne? Maybe you can give me 3 topics. Yeah, let's say 3 topics, and then I'll see which one is common to all of you. Maybe the ones that you're currently doing at your school or something like that, or the one that you think you're struggling with, and then you'll take it from there and do something else. I see that you guys are good with probability, though we're going to do it some other time, but let's try to look into something, right? Just send the topics. You don't have to say anything or do anything. You just send the topics that you want to you want us to do actually, and then we will take it from there. Did you guys hear that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Okay, guys, enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
My friend,
Date, like they say. Like this. Check it. Check it. Sit. Sit. Chamulavi ka nkela sa kuthelwa sa diselwa ro. Mana taura na mfumo. By then,
six, three, 4.
yeah, right.